Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Madj, and for today's video, i-update ko kayo again regarding kay Jigsaw it all, guys. And this is also my second withdrawal for this free earning application. So stay tuned until the end of this video, guys, para makita niyo step by step din kung paano ako mag-withdraw dito, guys. And of course, meron din akong mga important details na kailangan i-discuss with you kasi meron akong based sa aking experience, guys, nasa level 1,600 na ako here kay Jigsaw it all. I enjoy playing this one. So, and then marami akong discovery. So, ipapakita ko yan in this video. Kaya wag kayo mag-skip, guys, para wala kayo ma-miss na importanteng details, guys, okay? But before we jump into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and ring that notification bell so you always be updated to my upcoming videos and off-the-clock episodes. So last video natin, sabi ko nga is try natin lahat ng withdrawal. So na-try na natin yung TRX, and this video, guys, ang na-try naman natin is Payeer. So alam ko marami nag-ask out there na they need funds for their Payeer. So this is your chance na isa sa mga ways of payment method nila is Payeer. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo, magandang lariin to, guys, dahil very legit siya, guys, na free earning applications. But of course, may mga disadvantage and advantage din itong mga ganitong klaseng free earning application. Pag free earning application, as you can see, you need to watch. As you can see, isa mga ways of earnings niya is pagdadraw, lucky draw. So 25 times per day, but of course, you need to watch videos. As you can see, nasa level 1,600. But of course, you can enjoy playing this Jigsaw it all. Kung mahilig kayo sa puzzles, so isa sa mga magandang gawin, ito si Jigsaw it all. So, from level 1 to level 1,600, as you can see, guys, ito yung parang nag-random naman siya, guys. So, ito yung pinakamahirap na level niya na itong klase, yung parang triangle, diba, magkaibang directions, may upward and downwards. So, and then isa sa mga nakita ko nga na disadvantage for this one, so akala ko my first video is yun yung fix, diba, yung gumawa tayo ng computation, pero I thought that's ito na, pero hindi, yung nakita nyo pagdating yung level 500, babaksak after level 500, mag-down pa siya. So, mas bababa pa yung token. So, from 30 na nakuha natin before, magkakalahati yan. Something like that. So, as you can see, nasa, diba, 8 pag times 2 mo, 16 na lang siya. Hanggang sa makarating kayo sa, from level after 1,000, yan, guys, so yun yung makakuha nyo, 8 coins, and then pag times 2 nyo siya, 16. So, after level 1,000 siya, guys. So, hanggang ngayon, so yun na yung nakukuha natin. So, until level 1,600. But, of course, etong level 1,600, guys, ito ang dami ko pang akala ko is meron pa, pero wala na. Yun na pa rin last. So, natapos na natin yung game. So, stay tuned pa daw. So, maghihintay pa tayo. But, of course, we can still earn coins by doing this daily task. Isang daily task for the lucky draw, guys. So, dahil akala ko is marami pa. More than level 1,000 or infinite levels here kay Jigsaw it all. But, hindi. I reached the final destination for the moment, guys. I don't know until when yung kanyang until update, siguro new update pagkakaroon sila. So I don't know kung until kailan magkakaroon ng new levels for this one. So for the moment, ang gagawin ko na lang is yun, sa lucky draw, the daily sign in, and then of course eto sa store, diba, yung coins. So kinuha ko pa yung mga gems, diba, so hindi ko siya nagamit basta pang lang. So babalikan lang ako, guys.
A few days later.
Ayan guys, so diba? Malapit na tayo. So now, as you can see, we still have 51,978 coins guys. So lagi ako, as you can see, last time diba na-stop na ako. So nag-update siya, wala pa rin. So I don't know until when magkakaroon new levels dito kay Jigsaw ito. But for the moment, pwede akong mag-lucky draw ito sa store, yung 8 coins times 15 per day. So yun. And then meron pa pala ako nakaligtaan guys na hindi ko nakita last time guys, na I really forgot about that one. So pang dagdag din pala siya guys, pero yun nga lang as a disadvantage dahil you need to watch advertisement video, diba? So pero kailangan muna natin bago ko i-reveal yung nakalimutan ko guys, hindi ko kasi siya napansin. So ngayon ko lang siya napansin guys. So eto, dapat mas mabilis pa pala ako nakapag-withdraw way back before. So eto na lang, akala ko makapag 155,000 coins ako, pero matagal eh. So dahil wala pang bago, so i-withdraw ko na itong 52,000 equivalent to 4.5 USD. 4.5 remember guys. So ang gagamitin ko is Payeer for now kasi mas okay siya. Kasi kapag PayPal ko siya, kailangan pa ng at least 500. So dahil less 500 siya, ang gagamitin natin is Payeer for the moment. And then sa susunod na lang, diba, kapag meron ng panibago mga new levels for Jigsaw ito. So after this one, ang focus ko is I think the food tile, the monster evolution. So yun na yung mas okay, diba? So dahil natapos na natin siya, so ito more on watching video ads na lang siya, diba, while waiting for new levels. So natapos ko na siya, diba? Natuwa kasi ako, talagang sinusobrahan ko sa 25 times. So iba naman kasi is naka-randomize siya from easy, medium, yung super hard, ganyan. So now, so tatry na natin kesa na itenga natin siya kasi matatagalan pa ako maka-reach ng 155 kung puro watch video advertisement, diba? Kung wala yung mismong main game. So ito muna ang gagawin natin. So ayan, mag-request na tayo. So make sure na double check nyo na tama yung inyong Payeer account. And then up to 7 days, exclude nyo yung weekends and holidays. Kung weekend kayo, mag-start kayo ng count ng Monday. Okay? Weekdays lang siya. So ang isa sa mga nakita yung katabi ng play guys, which is the chest. Guys, yung katabi yung play, nakikita nyo na button, so may chest doon. So yun yung guys, ang what you call this, yan yung nakalimutan ko, which is okay siya, diba? So ito pa pala yung quest. Ito, pakuha nyo rin siya sa quest dahil pag na-reach nyo everyday, you can get daily quest guys. So bago kayo pakita yung chest is, pero sa chest kasi more on ganito rin, watching video advertisement siya guys, which is para rin si Monster Merge Evolution na you need to watch. Ganun naman talaga kasi doon sila kumikita, and yun din yung gagamitin nilang funds na pang ano sa atin, pambayad, pang payout. So kung ayaw nyo ng mga ganitong klase na you need to watch video advertisement, hindi talaga siya para sa inyo. But of course, if you have spare time, and then pwede nyo naman siya kasi iwan, parang i-click nyo lang siya and do some other things, pwede naman siya guys. So yung dalawa, hindi na natin magagawin dahil dito tayo makapaglaro as of the moment. So ito yung chest. So kailangan nyo siya ituloy-tuloy guys, kasi for the first ayan, diba, after na itong click natin video na to, ang susunod dyan is just 3 seconds. So 3 seconds, 10 seconds, and then once na natapos niya siya, mag-stop siya until 2 hours yung kanyang countdown. yun na. So, tapusin nyo siya ng 3 seconds, 3 seconds, 3 seconds. I think siguro mga 10 times siguro na ganun. Or less. Hindi ko kasi nabibilang. Pero, yun nga. Pero naka-randomize din yung chest na yun na meron 10 coins, 8 coins, 12 coins, 16 coins. So, pala yung as of so far So, as you can say, yun 30 seconds. So, pero may mga 8 seconds, ganyan. So yun yung mga i-wait nyo and then click nyo lang siya hanggang sa ma-reach nyo yung countdown ng 2 hours. So, pwede kayo bumalik every 2 hours. Kung nagawa ko pala, mas marami pa pala. Mas madali pala ako nakapag-withdraw.
A few days later.
Ayan guys, wala pang 7 days actually na weekdays nakuha ko na. So, nakita nyo yan diba, November 18, ako nag-request for withdrawal. So, nakuha ko na siya kagad. So, thank you. So, less than 7 days. So, ngayong November 25 ko siya nakuha, guys. So, super legit pa rin siya. So, kayo na ko lang siya nakuha, guys. So, nakita ko nag-email na sa akin. So, nakita niyo yung comments. Jigsaw it all. So, nakuha na natin. So, yung 4.5. Talagang, I think, na-less na nila dyan. Kasi may, pag nag-send sila, may fee. So, di nila kinakalta. So, talagang 4.5 yung inyong makukuha. So, legit pa rin siya si Jigsaw it all. So, while waiting for new levels, yun ang gagawin ko. So, may other games pa rin naman siya na katulad na ganito, mga payment methods, so may mga sister same company na ganitong games, guys. So, yun muna natin pagtuunan while waiting for new levels. So, for the meantime, mag-chess muna kayo, mag-lucky draw, daily sign-in, and then sa store na 8 coins per day katulad neto, guys. So, yan. So, ganyan lang gawin. So, nakaipon na kagad din ako from the, maliit lang, pero we need to wait for the new levels and do other games naman na pwede. So, until next time, goodbye!